Yes, it was for Ghana TV GH. Make sure now like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime you post videos, be saying we be ama watch.
Kasi obi ya the hank of a good inside. It's not as though ni pano now or resist arrest. In any case, more arrest no. Kofi, se Obama, okra information, state no, uhia, opan wadema, opan fama. Emre bia ni wa kire. If so called a criminal and other offenses acting your friend be causing harm by omission. Causing harm by omission, you know. Say one no marshal, says a BB besia, prevent it, opposing, sojourning, immigration. Would the marshal say BB besia by virtue of you being a police officer, prevent it. Now, when you don't do so, that's a crime happier. And you've caused harm by omission. Se Obama onye police ni, onye soldier ni, onye immigration officer. No law mandate him, no duty is bestowed upon him to give information when he doesn't want to. Nobody should sit there and do nonsense. We are building a society of law, not people doing what they like. Why do we sit there and allow this nonsense to triumph? Or in the name of political victimization? What kind of human beings are we? So for Obama information, Opa, Opan whatever upon farmer was say come and assist me with information. Now I know say baby I am kopa. You causing a fear and panic. Publication of false news. What is false about the Obama post here? Is it not true that civilians were carrying guns, M16 and others? So what is false about it? And even with that crime of publication of false information, that alone is not a crime. Unless you are able to demonstrate or publicize this information, the public were in fear.
Exactly.
Who has come to report that he was in fear of a yes Obama video now posted? What nonsense are we building as? Is that the society we want? And we sit down and we think this is okay. Govi, is this okay?
Never.
Say Obama, because of criticizing IGP. Let the record shows that Say Obama in several posts criticizes IGP simply because of a year the world handle Boko issue.
Precisely.
It you know people watching the way power lies and other than that, I did a video na Say Obama posted. And I know was a video na fatuso. It is your job as the number one chief security officer. Say Bibi Koswa. Obi be draw attention. It is a Marantan Mabawa displays a video. And this video has been on the internet for God knows how long. So Say Obama ko posti. Now Say Wako posti. Says civilians in a year having M16 and other guns. Is it not true these are civilians?
It's true.
So what is false about the video?
Ask them.
Now society near building. Society must be fair. We must treat each other equal.
Exactly.
Not because somebody is MPP or NDC.
Never.
We want him to assist. No be our best to assist to a new court. We are now a circuit court. Say charges ben near their bono. Nipana who release in a say you want him to assist. No, we will do court a hunk of Sigunisa. I'm your normal. And then I'm your name at 10 times. Did you? You're two about money and tongue or mine about. We are a nation of laws.
Exactly.
Even says Obama, and yet nobody say Obama a hunk of goodness. Well, anyway, is that how we treat people? Kofi says Obama ye bonimpa. Yanko ready article 1926 2C. Then if I make article 1926, was when a person is arrested, that person shall be presumed to be innocent.
Exactly.
A person charged with and there's a clear difference between a suspect, an accused, and a person of interest. And you treat him like an accused. Who accuse you anyway? And their charges now they are born. And no one 2C, no, then if I'm going 2C. I never knew or say the person shall be presumed innocent until proven otherwise. Now no kwano, oh yeah, near the affair, you see treating ye. Near good anymore. You possess Obama, you didn't have of goodness, near Chateau, near children where power lies. What good an age money? I never know. Yanchichire Maisa. We don't build a nation like that. Because one person Obama tem asemunti. Because one peka de chiasem. So we must do things anyhow. How do you have a society?
Look at that.
IDB on the way near day. I get the here. But couldn't hear. I'm wondering what Modico Bubu ne dine at Jeno. For some what they call Koboko. And here. And I won't buy more person much Maya. I've been to Minkasania near Kenny Pacasabua, Nakadechini, Ben Media, my catcher, you remember me. You remember me. State in Agreement yet. State Agreement you. Publication of false news. And then I false news. Now for young Fante Comedy money. And I'm say Fante Comedy no idea. First of all, you put it on record. And your Fante Comedy ne make his statement now. Almost you Obama say, make president, make lordinity. Okay, very. I mean, these are stupid, reckless. We don't talk like that. But does it constitute crime? If it constitutes crime, who is the principal nipa everywhere? Jollof is a one on everywhere. Then you read Jollof no, you Fante Comedy never know by. Unless say, you can read this section 74 and 75. The omode buy you read the police release answer. Now you are section 74 and 75 of criminal and other offences act. Ni anhwe de heka. Now for you are elements of the crime. Ni arrested them ye famara kwamu. And I'm in legal department. Fire them. Now you read or say these operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of substantial debe. Now that you zoom point 4 na me reading. In a related development, 3 other persons. So 3 other persons in here, Fante Comedy near 3 other persons. Prince Ofori, Yayira Abiu, and Emmanuel Kwache are in the custody of the police, assisting. So the word assisting police, when you say assistant, you didn't go on once and assistant. Why are we so fixated with this idea of even when Nipan were police custody, yeah, the handcuff of going inside with police custody? What is wrong with you people? The use of handcuffs primarily is to prevent a nipana moko chenono. Say be obey nipa. But if the person is of no threat to you, what is this idea of Obia must go into handcuffs?
More fire.
It's more of fire so more assisted. Maybe obey assisted with you. That means Nipan Baba a principal state witness. Then we are the Fante Comedy who handcuffs once and obey witness. After Fante Comedy and Wabani Chiomono. Let's state on record say you want to make his statement. Oh, we are your crown. Or Jitum said no was our platform this to be. And a kind. Yentia video Fante Comedy Baye. I war patch also. Sadia ne see no. Dani bossa video na lanka obebone.